Good morning! Guys, may try naman tayo, mag-program tayo ng bago naming nurse call. The ETR is the main host and we will going to program the bed station. This is the bed station or the bed extension. Here is the code 8866224, then the mode 2, then makita nyo na ganyan, may 00, then you will going to press this one and makita nyo, then that's number 8. Gagawin natin 0000, clear muna natin yung 0 nya, then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, then the number of the bed station, 6, then we're going to enter, and siyempre nasa programming mode pa siya. Sa programming mode pa siya, kailangan muna natin tanggalin yung programming mode na yan. Going to clear again, press the clear, this one, clear, and wala na siyang kaya lang umiilaw pa yung natin kasi nga nag-programming tayo, tanggalin natin siya. Going to press this one ulit, the 6, bed 8, na change natin siya ng bed 6. Thank you guys, that is the bed extension ETC4BQ01 kung paano mag-program nito. Salamat!